Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin chart, we can see a slight recovery today. Not unexpected because we're looking for a potential C wave that could be starting. As you know, we're going to take a look at that right now. First of all, bigger picture on the 1 hour chart zoomed out. The view is still that a B wave topped here in July. We came down now, or we are coming down in the C wave of this yellow wave too. So the yellow wave count is currently the primary wave count. Doesn't really make sense, or we don't really need to talk about the other ones because in the short term the expectation for all of them would be for another low anyway. So the microstructure suggests currently another low. It would take a break above 27,720 for me to indicate that a low is in, or to believe that a low is in, or at least to start talking about it more, because at the moment the structure to the downside still looks a bit incomplete and we're doing a bit of a bear flag here at the moment. So it's a so-called flat correction that could be playing out here, which often happens in a wave 4. We are going to zoom in right now. But first of all, you need to understand that one more low is still anticipated. It has been for the last few days, and price has just been following currently the wave count overall, in that we already expected on the weekend sideways action to play out. Yesterday we said that maybe Bitcoin Ethereum could get another low in the B wave. Bitcoin did that, Bitcoin did that, Ethereum as well. Could have also been a triangle here in this B wave, but let's zoom in a minute. First of all, I wanted to express or explain the targets again if we make one more low, and we would be talking about 24k first, and then below that we've got a cluster of support at around 23k. If we look at the volume profile, we can see that we did that in the previous video. So 24 to 23k would still be next support. Below that 22k would come into view. But first of all, we'd be looking for another low, and then see if we can find some support at 24 or 23k. Now zooming in, I think that's what many people are interested in. We have a situation in which, if we take a look here at the right hand side, you can see that these are the resistance levels for this current wave 4 correction. So if we talk about another low could be coming, just trying to find the wave 4, there it is actually. This wave 4 here, seems to be playing out as a so-called flat structure. A flat structure is generally a sideways correction because the wave B retraces quite a lot. So we had our A wave, then we expected a B wave either as a triangle or maybe a lower B wave, which happened. Now we are exploring if the C wave could be playing out. So for this C wave to play out, a C wave is a 5-wave move. It can be an impulse, can be a diagonal structure, which would be very choppy. For now, it's looking good actually. It's looking good for a setup for a C wave. We have a small 1-2 setup, and we need to hold 25,360 for this C wave to play out. So anybody who's looking for a long trade here on the intraday, intraday basically, could set a stop below the B wave, because below the B wave, this would be invalidated, this structure, this C wave, So that's basically how it's played. 1-2, Breakout traders might wait for a break above the wave, above this horizontal resistance line at 26.3k, and potential targets for higher would be 27,120 or 27,720. So if we zoom in even more, we can see that this could be a small 1-2, that this could be a small 1-2 setup that's playing out here in this C wave, because the C wave, as I said, is a 5-wave move. We would get a bit more confidence in this running, in this third wave of the C wave to be underway, if price can break and maintain or get a sustained break above the wave 1 high at 26,180. And again, even better would be a break above 26.3k. If Bitcoin can maintain now support above either this wave 2 low, 25,800, better would be 25,000 here, this low, 25,380, then we should be in our C wave, and then we can follow that path further. All of that would add confidence to that potential C wave. Expectations currently are that this C wave will fail, not fail, but it can complete, but that this fourth wave will then face resistance somewhere up there at these resistance levels indicated, and that we get our additional low. If Bitcoin because it could be that obviously the fifth wave down has started already, and therefore we need to be prepared for a potential breakdown as well. Yeah, so we need to know what are the levels that make this C wave less likely, and that would be a break below the 25,000, 360 level down here, the B wave low. If we break below yesterday's low, that would indicate that this fifth wave is already in the making. If it is, as explained in the last video, then it would be an ending diagonal. It would be very choppy and very difficult to map out the detailed wave count. But so far, yeah, it's getting a little bit interesting here in this fourth wave. Generally, a fourth wave is always very boring. So let's look at the potential of this C wave unfolding. And if we get a bit of a rally, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but it should be imminent really, then we know where it should really end and collapse eventually into a wave 5. If it can just rally through 27,720, then the low may already be in. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.